Hi all, welcome to OneCast live session. Today we are here to talk about why to start a career in SAP or a career in SAP. So before that, let us discuss about SAP. When we say SAP, people used to call it as SAP, but we have to call it as SAP, and now the SAP stands for System Application Product in Data Processing. So SAP is an ERP started in Germany in 1972 by IBM employees. Its core focus was business process automation by enterprise resource planning. Today, their solution supports manufacturing, finance, sales, and almost any other process in business. Now, when we talk about SAP, it's not just a company or software, but it's a product used by the very best companies in and around the world. Now, we earlier talked about ERP and what is an ERP and how does it works in industry scenarios. So ERP is an enterprise resource planning. It used to integrate management of main business process in real times. Let us take a business example. Suppose if you want to buy a car and you go to car showroom, and what are the process that involved in it. So let us see it in a video.
You go through the specifications and select a car. The sales team sends you a quotation. Based on that, you place your order for the car. Now that you have placed your order, the production team has to manufacture the car, the procurement team has to purchase the materials for the production, the finance team has to release the needed funds, and the human resource team has to allocate the manpower. Also, after production is complete, you have to send it for testing, then deliver the car to the showroom, and then finally you get the car. So you can see the process to buy a car goes through multiple teams who will have multiple things to do and would need to develop multiple reports also.
And yes, that is why there is a need to connect all the different departments through a single software. And hence we use an ERP, and the market leader in ERP is SAP. So as of now we have seen the business scenario on what is SAP. Now let us watch a video on SAP and its presence in the world.
SAP has 65% market share in ERP. It is the market leader in ERP. SAP has 413,000 customers in 188 countries. SAP has 1,600 plus partners spread globally. 13 million plus SAP certified professionals worldwide.
And yes, that gives the importance of SAP, isn't it? So far we have seen the business scenario and what are the departments that are involved in an organization and how SAP is going to help you out in the world. And also we have seen the presence of SAP in the world. Now let us have some idea on SAP and what are the different sectors that are using SAP. Here
About
we go.
SAP, it is the world's largest provider of enterprise application software. For the world, 74% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. For business, SAP customers represent 98% of the top 100 most valued brands in the world. 87% of Forbes Global 2000 are part of SAP. For people, mobile solution from SAP reach 97% of the world's mobile subscribers via text messaging.
Yes, now we have seen the different sectors that are using SAP and what are the percentage wise that they are using. So from the starting we have seen something about SAP and what does it stands for, and it's not just a software or product. We are using in different business scenarios. And now you have some question on this kind of videos. So let us see the opportunities. What you're thinking about is opportunities, right? So here we can see the opportunities in SAP.
Approx. Employee base on SAP skills in India. Inside top 20 system integrators. Number of SAP skills employed, 1.17 lakh. Rest 1,600 partners. Number of SAP skills employed, 80,000. Total SAP skill base is approx 1.97 lakh. Calculation of fresher requirement in India on SAP domain approx. Total employee in SAP practice equals 1.97 lakh. Standard attrition every year 25% equals 49,000. Headcount fill plus new manpower requirement of 10% every year equals 49,000 plus 20,000 equals 79,000. 30% fresher requirement out of total 79,000 equals 28,000. Average salary roadmap. Fresher salary approx. 350,000. Salary after 2 years approx. 450,000. Salary after 6 years approx. 750,000. Salary after 10 years approx. 1,500,000. Salary after 14 years approx. 2,200,000. Some facts on SAP consultant salary. Average entry-level salary, 483,000, and other details can be seen on the screen.
So in this video, you have two key points. One is we have a 25% of attrition for every year, whereas we have 30% of openings for freshers in every year. So this is one of the key points, which means we have a 49k plus of attrition and people of attrition, whereas when we talk about freshers, we have around 79k of freshers openings. So here are the opportunities in SAP. Now you have a question that where can I fit and what are the modules that are available for me to take as a course. So here are the two modules which we can say basically as technical module and functional module. When we talk about technical, it involves in programmings, where we can say it as ABAP, BASIS, Fiori. When we talk about functional, we can say it as sales, procurement, finance. And you can see the video regarding this.
Technical modules are the programmings inside SAP. There are modules like ABAP, BASIS, Fiori which are catered to technical users. Functional modules are specific to each business specification. Be it sales, finance, procurement, human resource, etc. SAP has a module for each. There are more than 500 modules in SAP. You can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. Simply fill the form in our Contact Us page.
So here I just want to share my own experience. So previously I was working in banking sector and I have some knowledge on finance department, where I want to come to the SAP as a course. As a career, I just chose my finance module as my career. So now I am here as an SAP consultant for finance. And likewise, you can choose your career according to your education background and as well as your work experience. So you can join us for a free counseling session to determine the right module for you. Simply fill the form in our Contact Us page. And now we can talk something on career progress in SAP. So here you have a doubt like where can I start and where my career path will go. And here you can see the video regarding this.
You can choose from multiple careers in SAP. There are basically 5 opportunities in the SAP ecosystem: consulting, support, sales or pre-sales, project management, and business user. You can start your career as a technical consultant, functional consultant, or a business user. You can see on the screen how you can further progress in your career. So kickstart your career across SAP ecosystem.
So you have seen one of the important thing regarding the career progress. So the main thing is like as an SAP ecosystem, you have an consulting, support, sales, project management, business users. So what you have to do is you will start from the business users, and after that you will get the experience as a consultant, and from there you can go for senior consultant, and finally you can go for team lead, whereas you can do the freelancing also, and finally if you are familiar with your subject, you can go for trainer. And you have a question in mind, where can I get the training regarding the SAP? So now let's talk about the training. One of the most important mode of training in SAP is through Learning Hub. Learning Hub is used everywhere across the world. So let us see how Learning Hub works.
With the award-winning SAP Learning Hub, SAP has made it possible for you to learn simple. Our cloud-based solution offers 24/7 unlimited access to high-quality content. And as soon as you start your subscription, you can interact with SAP experts and instructors via our learning rooms, who will guide and shape your learning journey for you. But did you know we have an edition of SAP Learning Hub for everyone? For those of you in higher education looking for a head start to your SAP career, you can sign up to the Student Edition through your university or college. The focus is on key solution areas to help you hit the ground running straight after graduation in your career in the SAP world. People who wish to learn more about SAP or who are SAP users already and looking to upskill should look at the Business User Edition. Overview courses, simulations of thousands of SAP transactions, learning rooms and more, and all at a very affordable price. Designed for professionals who implement and run SAP solutions, the Customer Edition of SAP Learning Hub has over 75 separate learning rooms, covering all aspects of SAP and offering access to over 4,500 training titles. It also includes everything you need to study for SAP certification, the mark of a true SAP professional. And for those larger customers and partners who want to personalize and add their own content to SAP Learning Hub, we offer the Enterprise and User Adoption Editions. The Enterprise Edition offers all the social learning and content from the Customer Edition, but includes greater reporting functionality, as well as the option to upload your own content. Organizations can also brand the platform to further personalize the learning experience for their teams. And for organizations that have a large number of users to train and keep up to speed, we introduce the newest member of the family, the User Adoption Edition. In addition to all the great end-user training content you would expect from SAP, tools and services are included to help you create and distribute content to end users, providing a one-stop solution for all their training needs. Of course, we wouldn't expect you to buy before you try, so we're pleased to offer you the Discovery Edition, completely free access to a growing range of titles and learning rooms, enabling you to experience the benefits of SAP Learning Hub. So, what are you waiting for? With an SAP Learning Hub edition for everyone, why not sign up and change the way you learn today? Visit us today to find out more.
As of now, we have seen what is SAP and how SAP is helping out in different sectors and what are the presence of SAP in the world, whereas we have seen the importance of opportunities for the freshers as well as the attrition rate of each and every year, and also different modules that are evolved in SAP, and finally we have seen about Learning Hub. And now how Dexler is going to help you out in your better career in SAP. Here we can see. So we are providing the Learning Hub where we can give you the query support to resolve all your queries. We have learning journey for customized learning path, and we have an Adobe Connect session with module specific SMEs. We have assessments for benchmarking. Here you can assess yourself so that you can get some idea that which module you can choose out for your better career, and access to job post on the website. And most important thing is the job post. We will update you in daily basis, like you can see what are the jobs available in SAP, and finally you can get ready for global certification. So these are the important things that we have seen in and around SAP. Later we can see about each and every module in coming videos. Thank you.